Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Go to Account, Microsoft. Com in your browser and choose Create Account Now. Use an existing email address or select Get a new Outlook address. Enter your preferred email and create a strong password at least 8 characters long. Add your first and last name exactly as you want them displayed. Choose your country and input your birth date using numbers for month, day, and year. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge to verify you are human and continue to the next step. Save your password in a secure manager for future sign-in. Open Windows settings and navigate to Accounts to begin linking your account. Select Sign In with a Microsoft account instead and confirm you want to switch. Type your Microsoft email and then enter the password you just created online. Choose whether to sync settings like themes and passwords across devices at the prompt. Set up Windows Hello facial recognition or fingerprint if your device supports it. If not, create a 6-digit or 4-digit PIN for faster secure sign-in. Launch the Microsoft Store app from the Start menu to access apps and games. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and choose Sign In to begin. Enter your Microsoft email and password exactly as you created them before. After signing in, the store will show your library, purchases, and subscriptions linked to this account. If an app requires payment, confirm your payment method or add a credit card or PayPal account. Sign out only on shared devices and always enable 2-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.